ingots to repair most things. Maybe 10 for some things.
Shit, I'm bringing Mormon back to base.
I'm spawning now. I'm at the house.
Fire.
Food is here. Hope he gets a mic so he can like come to life for real.
Yeah, he's working on getting a mic right now.
Awesome.
When I get back to base, all your stuff is on Mormon.
Thanks, bro. Yo, I'm not feeling too well, dude. Be right back. I'm gonna get some more water. I don't know what the hell's wrong with me. I think I caught a cold or something. I feel fucked up.
I've been getting crazy headaches lately. There's a fucking Carno over here. Like in our base. Like by our base. Go ahead and open up the doors.
Yo, saw a guy with a rocket launcher and a machine gun. When can you get that? No face cam? I guess I can put on the face cam.
Can you open up the door? Nobody.
Yeah,
Buddha got it.
Alright, cool.
Here you go, there's your baby.
Awesome, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it very much. Yeah, so apparently I actually have to be dressed now. This is kind of crazy.
I'm gonna go back out and start farming
No
wood
face.
so I can get these walls up.
That face temper, oh my goodness. That face is so funny. I only have my cam off because it's so hot, I'm not wearing pants, and I don't want to suddenly get up in like my boxers. Not that it's that bad, I mean, nobody's like ever not seen people in boxers or like a swimsuit, but it's like, yeah, we're here for the games, right? I'm not here for my underwear.
So my dude's dehydrated.
Yo, can you make me a water hide, please? I would make one for Buddy too. I lost mine
Are
like
you
an idiot.
are you able to make them?
No.
Well, yeah, here. Real quick.
There's no rush. I gotta sort my loot here.
I'm right here, so no biggie. Whoa, dude, whoa. Shadowfang is only to be ridden by me, my friend.
No, he's really actually part of the tribe, like everything.
There's that thing. That water skin for you.
Thank you.
Look, that shadow I consider actually mine.
Well, we usually all ride our own mount.
Absolutely.
But
I mean, the only
sometimes
reason
we
why
borrow
I
them.
really like claim him as mine, like I know any of us can use it, we have the ability to, but I claim him as mine because I was the one that I know not a single person helped me tame this dinosaur at all. I did this one all my own.
Yeah, we were busy building the house.
He's
It's
my
alright.
baby,
I'm not worried, man.
and he is a beast. He's so strong.
Yeah, dude. Thanks for the water skin.
Oh, no problem, dude. Yeah, Buddha, you need a water skin?
Yeah, he definitely
Yeah,
does.
yeah. I'll make you water skin too.
It's not
If you
even
don't know
like
what
a
those are,
question. You gotta be like, here is this thing you need.
right. If you don't know what the water skin is, it's like a pouch that you can store water in. So if you're out, you can drink it.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, this is one of that.
I'll make you 2 of them. You use 3 of them at a time. You just drag them onto your hot bar, and then stand in water until the hot bar number lights up, and then you fill up your water skin.
Alright, I'm gonna keep on bamboo liquor, the eggs. I don't really want to carry those outside. It's a bit too...
What the fuck? I made 2 water skins, but only 1 is here. What?
It's because you're black. Your friend is black.
No,
Right?
my dude is white.
No, your friend is black. I'm talking to Buddha.
Yeah.
It's because you're black. You can't have a water skin, bro. Gotta get out of the sun a little.
Where'd he go? We should just give Buddha one of these mounts and let him name it whatever he wants, and then we can just go get another one.
I did. I told you. I'm like, yo, take the one that's saddled. Okay.
There you
And
go, Buddha.
use
Take
it.
these water skins.
You can use pancake liquor, and if you tame another one, you can use the other one if you want. Preferably tame a level
Oh
1.
wow, I did not know that. If it is raining, you can fill your water skins.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah, it's pretty badass. I never do it, but I heard about it.
I filled those up for you, but all you gotta do is put those on your hot bar, and then there's another one right here, and then just hit the button to use it. And when it's raining, you can fill them up that way too.
Well, looks like I gotta borrow this guy's clothing. Hopefully I don't lose him.
But I dropped another water skin on the ground for you. Don't leave it there; it'll decompose. He's leveled a couple times already since he's been with us. Leveled
That's
3 times.
excellent news. Okay. To repair this,
Yeah, how outside and grab this water skin on the ground before it decomposes.
Are you talking to me? Because I got it.
Buddha. I made him 2 of those water skins. It's right here over by me.
Level 2 highway robbery. I know, dude.
It decomposes in 20 seconds.
Sometimes you just need things. Okay. Look at this. I need 9, so it's here. Yo, I'm gonna repair the armor. The armor he had was basically broken. I'm gonna go repair it. What do we need? Hide and fiber. That's like nothing.
Buddha. Come here, dude. Right here on the ground.
And
The water
2
skin.
fiber. Is the struggle that real?
Right here. Pick up that water skin.
I'm gonna just go pick fiber. Actually, no. I think he's got fiber. He's got 2 fiber. That's what I need.
Alright, now you're good to go. And now you can, well, he gave you pancake liquor right here. If you want, you can change the name.
Yeah, but if you want to be cool, you keep it as one of the liquors.
But yeah, pancake liquor is now your primary mount. So you can go ahead and take it whenever you want. And right now, just our main focus is building up this wall.
That seems to be
Yeah,
the
one named pancake liquor, the one you're standing in front of.
Okay,
that one
ride
is your-
pancake liquor as long as you want. It's not yours, it's the tribe's. You can get another one, and you can keep this one, or you can use the new one you get. But regardless, we're gonna need one more sooner or later.
Oh yeah, because we still gotta get one for the other dude.
Hmm?
Yeah, we still gotta get one for the other dude.
Hmm?
Alright, he named it Little Buddha.
Little Buddha.
Alright man, you're good to go. So if you want, you can run, you can try to level up your mount. I don't know,
Take him with you to get the wood, and tell him to keep the mount with him so it levels with him a little bit while he's getting wood.
Yeah, I guess. Alright dude, follow me.
That way he's not really overcomplicating his life with fights right now. We'll go hunting together later. Or we'll go on a metal mission and he can come with us. Because the metal is really dangerous. Like, I nearly died on that shit. I actually did die on that shit. What am I saying? That mission's really deadly. Alright, here we go.
Alright, we're just gonna go gather wood and build walls.
Wait.
Alright, yeah, you see that thing right there, the Stegosaurus? That is one thing you do not want to fight with a level 7 mount. This is a beefy motherfucker. He will fuck your world.
The Stegosaurus is like the most harmless looking
since
deadly
you're here,
thing.
your mount should get experience from me killing it.
Yeah, just stay near it, but not close enough. Just
It's
stay.
only level 2, just start attacking it, Just
No,
run up
no,
there,
no,
start
no, no,
clicking.
no, no. Well, okay.
No, attack on the mount. On the mount.
Yeah, yeah. Don't get down from the mount, and watch the mount's health. It's at the top right. There's a plus sign similar to yours at the bottom right, but the top side is the mount, top right.
Yeah, and all you gotta do is just click and your mount will attack. If you kill shit while you're off the mount, your mount won't get the experience. Your actual player will. Alright, now we're just gonna gather wood.
Okay, now that I have armor, it's repaired, I think the right thing to do here is actually get a shit ton of metal for us. So we can all ball out later. Metal pick, I need 1 metal ingot and 1 wood. Wow, that's so easy. That's so easy.